I'm standing up here looking down at the forest below. A strange silence has taken over the jungle. A light breeze moves through the grass. And right there between the bushes, a porcupine is slowly making its way forward, its sharp quills resting along its back. But it has no idea. A predator is close. Look there, behind the tall grass, a powerful tiger is moving low to the ground, creeping forward with slow, careful steps. Its eyes are locked on the target. Every movement is controlled, completely silent. And then, suddenly, the tiger launches forward like lightning. But in that exact moment, the porcupine senses danger. In a split second, it curls its body into a tight ball, and its sharp quills rise outward in every direction. The tiger stops instantly. It stretches out a paw, but the quills block its strike. It pulls back, tries again, but each time it's met with nothing but sharp defense. From up here, it's clear. In the wild, strength isn't everything.